Over 90% of students fail in math tests. The main reason is that something they are not gifted in mathematics, or they don't have enough competence in having a math text. The main thing you have to do is to take a look at the fundamentals. Some guys try to tackle out a question like this one or solve this one without even knowing. To solve for x in the equation, cos x equals to half. Or to solve for x in the equation, sin x is equals to half. Some guys don't even know how to solve for x. Okay, the main thing you have to do is to take a look at the fundamental, get a textbook in mathematics and try revising it. The other thing is that everybody can make it in mathematics. Everybody can be good in mathematics. For example, to solve an equation like this, you need to revise cos x, sin x and all this before being able to tackle out this question. Maybe the first person or the person having a grade to 90 or 90 or 100 or 100 in your class in mathematics doesn't make it by magic. The thing is that he solve past question, revise mathematics and practice every day. The key concept about mathematics is constant practicing, continuous learning, and every day you try your best to learn at least one time or 1 hour a day, and you find yourself being good in mathematics. Solve past question, don't just go and copy and paste. Try solving and understand what's going on. At the end of this video, I'm going to drop a cheat code in mathematics. Stay to the end. I dive into the next section. As it said, practice make perfect. It's represented as what? A plus bi. A being the real part and bi being the imaginary part. Okay, I being representing the imaginary part, and imaginary is equals to what? Square root of -1. Therefore, I square is equals to what? -1. Proceeding with this, we are going to be having what? I cube is equals to what? I square times I. That is equals to what? I, because I square is what? -1. That is negative I, and I to the power 4 is equals to what? I square times I square. I see what? -1 times -1, let's say 1. Okay, moving then to solving a simple question, that is what? X square minus 4x plus 5 equals to 0. So for x here, we are going to have what? X is equals to 4 plus minus square root of -4 over 2. That is equals to what? 4 plus minus square root of -4 is the same thing as what? Square root of 4 times square root of -1. That is I root 4 all over 2. That is 4 plus minus what? Root 4 is what? 2i all over 2. Okay, moving to a more complicated question, we're going to be solving like 1 all over 2 plus I. Here we're going to factorize or linearize it. Okay, by doing the conjugate, that is 2 minus I in order to remove the imaginary section at the denominator. We're going to have this. Okay, in the numerator, we're going to have 2 minus I. In the denominator, we're going to have 4. Okay, I times I, that is my negative I square, negative I square, that is equals to what? Negative into -1, that is plus 1. The answer will be what? 2 minus I all over 5. That's how it's going to look like. Moving on to derivative. If you have d of x to the power n all over gx, what is the answer? Using the power rule, that is n x to the power n minus 1. In case you have a simple question like derivative of 2x, what is that? G of 2x all over gx is equals to what? That is equals to 2. What in case we have what? 2x cube plus x square plus 1. We are asked to find the derivative of this dy all over gx. Consider this to be y. That will be what? Equals to 6x 3 minus 1, that is 2, plus we bring this 2x, we differentiate the constant, you have a 0. That is 1 gx. Moving down to integration. What is integration? We have integral like, for a simple one, x to the power n gn, that is equals to what? N x to the power n minus 1. Oh, sorry, that is not the integration. Integration is, we're going to have what? Using the law, like x to the power n plus 1 all over n plus 1. In case you have integral of x to the power n with limit from a to b, we are going to be having what? x to the power n plus 1 all over n plus 1 with limit a to b. That will be equals to what? A, we start first with b to the power n plus 1 all over n plus 1 minus a to the power n plus 1 all over n plus 1. And that is how it's going to look like. Okay, proceeding with this, we're going to be taking a look at algebra. In algebra, we have like 4x plus 1 is equals to 2x plus 2. All about algebra is to find for x. To find for x, we're going to bring this inside. We're going to have 4x minus 2x, that is 2x. On the other side, we are going to have what? 2 plus 1. 2 minus 1, that is 1. Therefore, x is equals to half. That is the answer. Okay, moving to the next one, we're going to talk about progression and arithmetic progression. For an arithmetic progression, AP example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The common difference is what? The 10 minus that is equals to 3, 4 minus 3, and so on, that is equals to 1. And the first term A is equals to 1. The formula for a arithmetic progression, U of n, is equals to A plus n minus 1 out of G. And the sum for a for an arithmetic progression is equals to what? A n over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 times d. In case of a geometric progression, we have a common ratio, that is r, being like 2, 4, 8. The r is what? 8 all over 4, that is equals to 4 all over 2. And that is equals to what? That is equals to 2. Okay. Therefore, the term of an EGP is what? A r to the n minus 1. And the sum of a GP is what? A into r to the n minus 1 over r to the n minus 1. That is the answer to this. And the cheat code at the end of this video is that take a look at AI. AI will extremely help you in solving some math question, but don't exceed the limit because AI sometimes gives you fake answer. Stay tuned. Goodbye.